The aim of the game here is to get a solid tilt on the mace before you push over the shoulder, using the elbows to drive the mace up and back. Watch the position of the hands, choked up tight, and they're shaving the head as if you have a mohawk. Think about a kettlebell halo here. We're trying to keep the mace flowing from side to side comfortably, shifting the weight and using a push and pull with the triceps.
For shoulder extension, we want to make sure that we start with the shoulder in line with the hip and keep it there throughout with a nice open pec. You can see that the aim of the game is to press the bar back, keeping tall through the chest and shoulders, and we want to make sure that we don't see any forwards and backwards movement, so the weight should stay nicely into the toes, the head is over the toes throughout. You're pressing the bar back and holding at that fully extended position for a couple of seconds. This should be really intense into the triceps and into the upper back.